Welcome to Life Beyond Certificate channel. Today you will learn how do car loans work? Getting a car is something people term as a great feat in life, almost like getting a house. The ease that comes with being able to go where you want, when you want, and with comfort cannot be compared to jumping on public transport or waiting for a taxi or Uber to arrive. A car loan is a sum of money an individual borrows to buy a car. From the definition, a car loan is gotten to buy a car, and it's very much different from personal loans. When getting the loan, the borrower will agree to pay back the total amount borrowed to purchase the car, alongside an interest by a certain date or duration. But there's more to getting a car loan. It's not all about getting the car loan and paying a certain amount every month. Before you get your car loan, you must know the following terms and what they mean. Annual percentage rate, this is the amount to be paid to borrow the money. Interest rate, this is a bit similar to the annual percentage rate, the only difference is the exclusion of the loan fee. Principal amount, this is the total amount borrowed, interest not included. Loan term, the duration you have to pay off the loan. Down payment, this is the amount paid up front before getting the car. Total cost, this is the total loan amount, including the principal and interest rate to be paid. How does the loan amount, annual percentage rate and loan term affect the monthly car loan payment? If you are asked to pay a smaller amount every month till you pay off your loan, you would pick it, right? That's because it sounds like a great offer. For example, you get a car loan of about $25,000 at a 3% APR for a 48-month loan term. In 4 years' time you would have paid $1,561 in interest. Now, if you extend the same car loan to a 60-month loan term, in 5 years you would have paid $1,900 even though the monthly payment will be reduced. To begin with, it is never a good idea to take out a car loan that you will be unable to repay. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of vehicle loans? Instead of waiting for years to get a car, you can get it immediately with car loans. Just like borrowing money from a friend and paying it off on time, your friend won't hesitate to lend whenever you come borrowing. Getting a car loan isn't difficult once you meet certain requirements. First, you need a constant source of income to prove you are capable of paying off the loan. Second, you might need to provide your bank statement for the financial institution to go through your financial history.